This is Rupesh Kumar, lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic Narayankhed. I am dealing with the subject Digital Electronics, 4th semester. Subject code 18E405C. Topic Basics of Digital Electronics. Subtopic Binary Arithmetics 1 and 2 Complements. Teaching aids, PPTs and animations. Yesterday class is on hexadecimal number system. It is very much improving subject. The things which are developed by our students also much more giving a much more enthusiasm for us. Today's topic is on binary arithmetics and ones and twos complement. Is also a very good topic. On completion of this period, you would be able to perform the following arithmetic binary operations: that binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, binary division, as well as ones and twos complement of binary number also. Very simple topics today we are learning. The small kids who has 1 year age also easily learn these topics: binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, binary division. That type of kid is available with us. She is trying to help us in this class, ones and twos complement of binary number. Okay, here already we learnt about the what are the different types of number system. You know about that? Different types of number system: binary number system, decimal number system, octal number system. Already you learned that hexadecimal number system. You are a new student, no? I am recapping all that. Okay, what is meant by radix? You know, this is the base of the number systems. Binary means 2, decimal means 10, octal means, you know, octopus. How many hands for that? 8. Octal means 8. Hexadecimal means
10.
16. You must get that. You know, you already told that hexadecimal number has 16 digits. But why you are telling like that? That you are not reading in your home. Again, we learn about the what are the advantages of hexadecimal number system. These are the concepts which we learned before. Once again tell, what are the number systems? Decimal number system, octal, binary, hexadecimal. Binary means how many bases there?
2.
Next octal, 8. Next decimal
16.
10.
10.
Hexadecimal 16. You are confusing. Better have a good thing.
Okay, last one.
First concept is binary addition. You know addition? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
2.
2 plus 1.
3.
Here in binary addition, only 2 values are there: 0 and 1. Okay? We know that already. 0, 0. 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 1.
1.
1 plus 0.
0. 1. 1.
1. 1 plus 1.
2. 1 plus 1. 0.
1 plus 1, 0, and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 means 10. Another one is also there. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Output is 1. Carry is 1. అంటే క్యారీ అంటే తెలుసు కదా, ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అది? ఇప్పుడు 14 ప్లస్ 9 ప్లస్ 2 ఎంత?
21.
9 ప్లస్ 2
9 plus 2. 11.
అంటే ఒకటి ఇక్కడ వేస్తావు కింద, ఒకటి తీసుకెళ్ళి పక్క దాంట్లో వేస్తావు కదా, దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? క్యారీ అంటాం. పక్క దాంట్లో వేసేదాన్ని. ఓకే, హియర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1. Carry 1. 1 plus 1. 0.
0.
Carry
1.
1. 1 plus 0.
1 plus 0. 1.
0 plus 1.
1.
0 plus 0.
0.
0. It is nothing but the binary addition. Once again you repeat it. 0 plus 0.
0.
Next. 0 plus 1.
1.
Next.
1 plus 1.
0 plus 1 plus 0. 1. 1 plus 1.
1.
0.
0.
Carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer 1. Carry 1. Okay. You are not listening. You are hearing another thing. Please have a glance of it. Now here is a problem. 2 n-bit values, add individual bits. Next, propagate carries. Example. Okay. Simple thing. That is, here I have taken 0 1 on the starting position, and second one is 1 1. That means 9 plus 2. You know that. Here 9 is 1 0. Think like that. 2 is 1 1. Okay. Now
3.
1 0. 0 plus 1.
0 plus 1. 1.
1. 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1. 1. Point. 1 plus 1. 1. Dot.
1 plus 1. 0. 1 plus 1. 0. Answer is carry is 1. So value is 1 0 1. 9 plus 1 0 means what is the value? 1 0. Here code 2 1. 1 0 means 2. 1 1 means 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 means 1 0 1. Answer is correct. I have given another problem to you. 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Okay. Can you provide one pen? One paper also. The student is not recognizing anything. I will tell clearly. I will not beat you. Sorry. Sorry for beating you. You will drink water. Go for toilet. Once again I am repeating. 0 plus 0. Please tell me.
0.
0. 0 plus 1.
1.
1 plus 0.
1.
1 plus 1.
1. 0.
1 plus 1 plus 1.
1.
1.
1.
Okay. Here carry is which one? Carry is sum is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. What is the carry? What is the sum? Carry is 1. Sum is 1. 1 plus 1. Carry is 1. Sum is 0.
0.
You must tell here. First of all, sum is 0 and carry is 1. What happened to the pen? No pens are there. You must know this answer. I will make you the pioneer in digital electronics. You will score 100 by 100. By drinking water, so much of sweat is coming due to this heavy summer season. Once again repeat binary addition. 0 plus 0. 0. 0 plus 1.
1.
1 plus 0.
1.
1 plus 1.
1. 1.
1 plus 1.
1.
I will write it in this. What is this dirty diagrams? You want to study means you are drawing this this like that of dirty diagrams. Come here, come near. 0 plus 0,
0.
0. 0 plus 1,
1.
1 plus 0,
1.
1 plus 1. Sum is 0, carry is 1.
1.
1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. It is sum value, it is carry value. Okay, this is the main criteria of binary addition. Now I am giving one problem, 1 1 1 0. Okay, whatever the values is there, you must take codes for that. You already know the code 8421. Here how many values are there? Only
2.
2 values. So we want to take
2. 1.
2 1. If suppose 0 1 1 means you want to take 4 2 1. Suppose 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 means
8 4
8 4 2 1. Suppose 0 0 means
0.
16.
16. Okay.
Okay, if how we will get is 2 power 0. You know the class of indices. 2 power 0 means 1.
1.
2 power 1 means
2.
2. 2 power 2 means
4.
2 power 3 means
8.
2 power 4 means
16.
2 power 5 means
17. 17. 32. Okay.
this concept is not known to you.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
2 square 2 into 2.
Sorry.
2 cube
26.
2 cube 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 4 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 5 16 into 2 32. Okay, here this is the problem now. 1 plus 0,
1.
1 plus 1,
1.
1 plus 1,
0 0.
0. Here carry 1. Now here 0 plus 0,
1. 0 plus 0 0.
0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 1
0.
0 1.
1.
0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 1 1.
1.
Answer is 1 0 1 0 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now here I am telling you want to do this problem 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, do this. Very simple thing. First one is 0 plus 0
0.
0. 0 plus 1
1.
1. 1 plus 1
1 plus 1 0.
pine 1 bit.
1 plus
You
1.
must not taken this one down only.
Okay.
1 plus 1 plus 1
1 plus 1 plus 1. 1.
1. Here no 1 is not there means 1 1.
1.
Okay, it is the value for this one.
1 1 0
Now
1
you
0.
want to make this one into decimal form. 1 1 0 1 0. How many? 1 2 3 4 5. This means 16 8 4 2 1. 8 4 2 1. Okay, now here value is
1.
you want to make into decimal number, girl. Here suppose 2 1 is there, 0 1. What is this value?
0 1.
Decimal value 1. 1 0 means 2. 1 1 means
3.
how we will get? Here 2 plus 1 means 3.
3.
Here in place of 2 it is 1. So it is 2. Here place of 1 it is 1. It is 1. If suppose 0 0 means 0 only. Now 16 8 4 2 1. I will tell simple one. See, 1 1 1 1. What is the value of this? You know, 8421 కోడ్. ఇది యూజ్ చేసుకుని నాకు చెప్పు. నువ్వు 1 2 గా చెప్పేది ఇక్కడ 8421 అంటే ఎంత వాల్యూ? హెక్సాడెసిమల్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా దాంట్లో. 8421 కౌంట్ ఇట్.
8 4 12 12 plus 2 14 15.
Answer is 15. Okay, if we place here 0, how what we want to count? 8 plus 4 plus 1 only. 0ని కౌంట్ చేయొద్దు, మిగతా అని కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇదేంటో చెప్పు.
13.
ఇప్పుడు ఇదేంటి చెప్పు దీంట్లో. ఎయిట్ వెయిట్ని కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్. 16 + 8 + 2. 16 + 8 8 3 jar 24. 24 plus
plus 2. 26.
26 is the answer. Okay, finally kindly grant this 0 1 0 1 1. 16 8 4 2 1. Tell.
8. 8 plus 2. 10 11.
Answer is 11. Here
8. 2.
Means 10. Okay. See this one.
16. 4. 20. 21.
21 is the answer. Okay. 21. See 1 1 plus 1 2. 21 answer. Okay. Now this 1 1 0 0 means
6.
how many numbers are there?
4.
4. What is the code?
8 4 2 1.
Okay. Next. What is the value? 8 plus 4. How many?
12.
12. Next is this one.
8 plus 4 12 plus
2.
2 14.
14. 4 plus 2.
4
6.
plus 2,
1 plus 1 2. 26. See 26 26. Simple.
Simple.
Decimal value means you want to change these numbers into 1 2 3 4 numbers.
Okay.
Binary means only two numbers, 0 and 1. Okay, must remember that. Once again you tell that 0 plus 0.
0.
0 plus 1.
1.
1 plus 0.
1.
1 plus 1.
1 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 1.
1 plus 1. 1 plus 1.
1. 1 plus
1
1
plus 1 0.
1 0.
Ah.
1 plus 1 plus 1 1 1.
1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 0.
0.
Carry 1. You must tell like that.
Okay, okay.
1 plus 1 plus 1. 1. Carry 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now another problem is also there. You tell, you draw, you complete this. 1 1 1 0 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0. Okay. Complete
16,
this.
8.
You don't do that one. This is clarification. Correct or not? Checking. Okay. We are not gods. Whatever we do is not correct. For checking purpose we are doing this. You want to perform the binary addition. Okay. You do this. Only plus 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0.
0 plus 1. 1 plus 0. 0.
Somewhat loudly. 1 plus 0 1.
1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1. 1 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0.
Right. Next carry
Carry
1. You can write here. Okay. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1. Carry is 1.
1.
Okay.
1
1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay.
Okay. నాకు వచ్చింది.
Okay.
Okay.
ఇది తప్పే చూపించిన. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది చెప్తే నువ్వు నన్ను కొట్టుకోవడం నేను కొట్టుకోవడం. బట్ ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇట్. బైనరీ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. Binary subtraction. Okay. You know Tisveta? It is nothing but subtraction. Okay. Here 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 0 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 what is that? 0. Next last one 0 minus 1. It is 1 with a borrow. You know the borrow. అప్పు తీసుకోవటం 1. 1 borrow తీసుకుంటాం కాబట్టి 0 minus 1 ఏమైంది 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఏ క్లారిటీ మీన్స్ హియర్ ఆల్రెడీ 1 minus 1. ఇట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 0. ఓకే. 0 minus 0
0.
0 1 minus 0
1.
0 1 minus 1
0.
0 0 minus 1
1.
1 with a borrow 1. అంటే హియర్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 1 1.
1 1.
Okay, but we want to tell like that 1 with a borrow 1.
1.
Okay, subtract column by column anta. Here I will tell simple things only, you will be getting clear one. Okay, see 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0 1 0. Okay, tell me 1 minus 0
1.
1, 0 minus 1
1. Borrow 1.
borrow 1. Okay, 1 minus 1
1 minus 1 0.
0 minus 0
0.
0. 1 minus 1
1
minus 1
0. 0 0
1 1. Okay, we will check. Okay, here see 8421 code. What is the value? 8 plus 4 plus 1 means 12 plus 1 13. Next 1010 means
8 4 12.
8 plus 2
8 plus 2
10.
10.
13 minus 10
3.
3. Here 0011 means 8421 code 2 plus 1 3.
3.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay, it is subtract column by column. The column means here if we write anything in straight line way, that is row. If we write step by step means it is a column.
Column.
Okay, now multiplication. Very simple. For multiplication you must know the addition and multiplication. Okay, simple one. 0 into 0. Any number into 0 or 0 into 0?
0.
0. 0 into 1?
0.
0. 1 into 0?
0.
0. 1 into 1? 1.
1.
Simple. Okay,
Okay.
once again.
0 into 0.
Ah.
0.
Ah.
0 into 1.
Hmm.
0.
Ah.
1 into 0. 0. 1 into 1. 1.
1. Simple one. Okay, these are the rules.
Okay.
These are the rules for binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication. Okay, now here binary 2 n-bit values as with decimal numbers. Example I have given. First of all I will show you small number, then we will go to a bigger number. Okay, 1 0 into 1 1. Okay, 1 into 0
0.
0. 1 into 1
1.
1 into same like that of our addition multiplication. 1 into 0
0.
1 into 1
1.
1. Now we are adding. You know that in the normal multiplication we want to add. Here 0 1 plus 0
0. 1 plus 0. 1.
1 1. See 1 0 means decimal value 1 0. Code is 2 1. 1 0 means
2.
2. 1 1 means
1 1.
value
2. 2.
1 0 2 1 code. What is the value? 2. 1 1 means
2 2. 2. 2 1.
decimal number చెప్పు 2 1.
3.
2 into 3
5. Oh, sorry.
multiplication 2 into 3 2 3 6. 1 1 0. Here code is code
2.
code. Here 2 1 code 8 4 2 1. 2 1 is the code. Here 3 numbers are there. What is the code?
8 4 2.
4 2 1. Code 4 2 1. You want to write dislike, not dislike. Okay. Now what is this number? Decimal number. Sorry. This last. Chalo. Tell me. Simple one. Code. Number చెప్పు నాని. 4 + 2
6.
6. Now you do this. See, draw this. Complete this. 1110 into 1011. Please. You are the good student of me. Please. One into 0. 1101 into 0000 0000 1101 101 1 plus 1 10 111 1101 means 13. 1001 means 9. 9 3 are 27. 9 1 9 10 11 117. Here coding is 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. Okay, 64 32 16 4 1 4 5 6 6 is 12 plus 4 12 plus 4 16 plus 1 17 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10 1 plus 11 117 117 tallied. You do this problem. Do this very simple one. Here 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. Here 1 1 1 0 into next 1 1 1 0 plus 4 zeros into 1 1 0. By answer is 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, it is multiplication. Please. Please. Student, corporate student. Please. Why you are doing like this? Multiply 1011 into by 101. Student is not cooperating means the lesson will not be good. 1011 into 101. 1 into 1 1 101 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 sorry 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 111 is the answer. Okay, 1011 means 11, 101 means 5, total value is 55. Here 11011 means 1 2 4 8 16 32 32 plus 16 16 48 48 plus 4 it is nothing but 52 plus 2 54 plus 1 55. Answer is matched, that is 110111 is the answer. 5 to 5 marks. Next one is binary division. It is also very simple one. It will takes the subtraction part and the division part. You must listen this subtraction part and division part. Okay, binary division is similar to decimal division. That is, here we will divide 4 ones by double 1. Double 1 into 1 enta? You know that? 1 1 into 1 1 1. We will get the value that here it is 0, we will take 1. Again we will take 1, that is 1 1 0 1. 1 minus 1
0
0. 0 minus 1
0 0 minus 1
1. Okay. 11 into 0, it is 0 0. We get the value that 1 1. 11 into 1, sorry, 1 1 into 1, 1 1. It is 0. Okay, it is the quotient. It is the remainder. It is the divisor. It is dividend. Okay, see here, 1 1 1 is 4 ones is dividend, 1 1 is divisor, 1 0 1 is quotient, and last 0 is remainder. Okay, answer is 0. We get the value quotient 5. Okay, we can easily verify this. 4 ones means that is F, that is 15. 2 ones means it is 3. 3 5 are 15. 0. Quotient is 101. 101 means 5. Answer is correct. 5 marks. Now, representation of binary numbers. It is sign magnitude form, 1's complement representation and 2's complement representation. It is very simple. You can learn this. I will not beat this. Come. This concept is 1's complement. 1's complement. Simple. 1 1 1 1 is the question. You want to perform 1's complement for this. 1's complement for 1 1 1 1 1 is 0 0 0 0. 1's will be 0. If suppose 0 0 0 zeros, 1's complement means
1 1 1
1 1 1 1. Simple. Okay. You do this one. 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. You do this. 1's complement for that. You want to do 1 to 0, 0 to 1. See, 1 means
0.
0, 0 means
1.
1.
Okay.
Okay. 1's complement means you must make the 1's complement means complement of each bit, changing 1's to 0 and 0's to 1. Okay, changing 1's to 0 and 0's to 1. That is nothing but the 1's complement. Five marks. Simple one. It is the most easier thing in the digital electronics. 1's complement. Addition also easy. Multiplication also easy. But division and subtraction is somewhat mind concepts. Okay. You can do division now. Multiplication. I am not doing like that. I want to put here. If you take that one, it is go on this side. I am not try to hard you. Hit you. Sorry. Okay. Another one I will give. See here. You want to add this and do the 1's complement. See. First add. Next 1's complement. వచ్చిందానే 1's complement చేయాలి.
1 plus 1 1.
From here to here. Suppose if you have 1 2 3 1 1 2, you will do from this side to that side. Do this one. 1 plus 1
1.
1 plus 1 0. Carry will be 1. What you are writing? 0 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 0. Carry will be 1. 1 plus 1 1
0. 1.
Carry 1. Okay.
1 1 0 1 0.
1 0. Now do the 1's complement for the answer. Answer కి 1's complement చేయి. చేంజ్ చేయి వాటిని ఏముంది అందులో. ఆన్సర్ రాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసినావు అదే చెయ్యి. 0కి 1 అయ్యి. ఓకే 101. It is the ones complement. Why you are shivering like that? 00101. Okay. Here we are taken 1011 and 4 ones. 1011 means 8421 code. If we 1011 means it is to change into decimal form. You must remember, for decimal form you want to know code 8421 code. See what is this number? You want to do in heart only, not to tell outside. Just tell the answer. 11 is the answer. Next, 4 ones means you must remember that 4 ones means 15. 3 ones means 4 to 1 7. Okay. 5 plus 1 6. 1 plus 1 26. Okay. Now you are breaked my bottle. See, 11010. How many numbers are there? 3 4 5. How now code is 16 8 4 2 1 11010. Now the number is
16 plus
8 3 is 24 plus 2
26.
26. Okay, 26 5 marks. This is a very simple thing. Okay, now 2's complement. First 1's complement completed. No, is 2's complement. Very simple. You want to change 1s to 0, 0s to 1, and then add a 1 to the end one. Okay, see, 1 0 1 1 0. It is normal number. Now we are making into 1's complement. 1's complement means 0 1 0 0 1 complement. Now we want to add 1 in what is this bit? LSB. Add this one here only. 1 plus 1 means
1 plus
1 plus 1 0 1 carry. Here 0 plus 1 1 0 1 0. It is the answer. Simple. Okay, I will tell the concept. See, most of the common schemes of representing, once again you verify it, you will clearly understand. Most common scheme of representing negative numbers in computers. Efforts, naturally no special rules. To represent a negative number in 2's complement notation, decide upon the number of bits n, find the binary representation of the positive value in n bits, flip all the bits, changing 1s to 0s and 0s to 1, and add 1 to the LSB. Okay, simple concept. I will clearly explain it. See, 2's complement means 2's complement equal to 1's complement plus 1. Okay, in the number, the results, when we add 1 to the 1's complement, we get the 2's complement. 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. Okay, now example. Now we are taking a binary number. Okay, binary number is 1011. Okay, now you no need to draw the line. You write here 1's complement. Tell me, 1011 means
Right for 2 1 code.
complement. 0s to 1, 1s to 0.
0
0
1 0 0.
0 0. Now 2's complement. You want to add 1 means 0 plus 1
0 plus 1 1.
1. Here 0 1
1.
0. 2's complement is 0 1 0.
0.
Simple. Okay, you understood it? So 1 second, check it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, you do this 1 0 0 0. It is the binary number. You do first 1's complement. 1 పెట్టేసి కామా ఎస్ పెట్టు, apostrophe 1 apostrophe s. Okay, here dash, okay. Now
0
1 1. Okay, now no need to draw dash. First of all you must write 1, then only you want to draw dash. Here 2's. Do this. 1 plus 1 is 0. Now here you want to carry 1. You can take this here 1.
ఇక్కడ
1 plus 1
0
0. Take 1. 1 plus 1
0
0. Take 1. 0 plus 1 1. See,
1 0
0 0 0. You add the same as this number 1 0 0 1 0 0. Okay, you understood that? By seeing the binary subtraction here, you do this simple problem 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. Binary subtraction. We can change this and you can check here. Okay, see, simple problem. Here, this one, binary subtraction. First of all you check the problem, then you can do some problems. In this previous sections we have learned that binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and 1's and 2's complement of a binary number. 1's and 2's complement of a binary number. Here I have given the sum of the frequently asked questions. Carry out the following arithmetic operations: 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 plus 1 1 0.1101, 1 0 1 1 1 0 plus 1 0 0.1101, 1 1 1 1 0 plus 1 into 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0 divided by 1 1 1. These are the frequently asked questions in our previous examinations. What are you seeing? You are not understanding. 1 minus 0
0 1 minus 0 1
1, 1 minus 1
0
0, 1 minus 0
0 1 minus 0 1
1, 1 minus 0 0. 1 1 1 1 means code
8 4
15.
15 15 sorry
1 0 1 0 8 plus 2 10. 15 minus 10
5
1 0 1 అంటే 4 2 1 code. 4 plus 1 5.
5
Okay, you do this.
zero zero 0 minus 0 0 1 0 0 minus
1 minus 0
1
1 minus 1,
0.
1 minus 1,
0.
1110 means checking 1110.
Total is 8 plus 12 plus 13. 14.
8 plus 4 plus 2, 1 1,
12.
1 0 means what is the value?
2.
2 2 2. You are not clearly understanding what I am telling. Very simple topics. Okay, see binary division 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, tell me 1 0 into 1 enta 1 0. Okay, you will get 0 1 0 1 1 0 not equal, no, so we are taking 0. 1 0 into 0 0 0. You will get 1 and 0. 1 0 into 1 1 0. 0 is the answer. It is divisor, it is dividend, it is quotient, it is remainder. Now the answer is 101. 101 means 5. 1010 means value. కోడ్ 8421 కోడ్ 1010 అంటే ఎంత? 8 plus 2 10. 10 means 21 code. What is the value? 210 means
2.
2 divided by 10. 2 5s are 10. 0.
0.
For one division here we are doing 1 2 3 4 5. It is binary division, it is decimal division. Normal numbers are decimal numbers. 0 1 numbers are binary numbers. Okay, this is the 2's complement. Here sign magnitude also there.
Complete again.
Once again I will repeat that. Sign magnitude form. MSB represents sign, remain bits represent the magnitude. That is 0 positive value, 1 negative value. 6 bit sign magnitude representation of plus 5 and minus 5. 0 0 1 0 0 0. That is 0 means positive, 1 means negative. If suppose here it is 6 bit magnitude, but we have 6th bit is sign. Positive 1 means 0, negative 1 means 1. Okay, 1 completed. Remaining are 5 values. 5 means 16 8 4 2 1. Okay, 16 8 4 2 1 means 5 value. 5th value is, you already know, 1 0 1. Other two numbers are 0 0 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, for minus 5, first value is 1. All the remaining values are 0 0 1 0 1. For plus 5, first value is 0, plus is 0, minus is 1. Difficulties is sign magnitude. Two representations of 0 using 6 bit sign magnitude. Arithmetic is awkward. Simple. Sign magnitude అనుకో సింపుల్ చేయొచ్చు. పాజిటివ్ అయితే ఏం పెట్టాలి? 0. నెగిటివ్ మీన్స్ 1. Afterwards we can get the other numbers. It is the sign magnitude. Next one, complement. 1's complement means 1s to 0s or 0s to 1s. 2's complement means first 1's complement, then adding of 1 is nothing but the 2's complement. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. It is the most important one. Very simple answers you will get 1 mark questions as well as 3 marks questions in this topic. Please sure that if you have any doubt, you can ask me. If you have, you can call me or you can WhatsApp me also. Thank you for hearing my class.